Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you 4 HTML tags that you probably have not used before and you have not seen before. So the first one that I'm going to talk about is the insert. So for example, let's say that we have some text here. So I'm going to add a paragraph. So let's say that we have some words. So I can say I have added some, and then I can add the int tag ins. All right, and I can say some words. So some words. So you see, this one simply adds an underlined text to that piece of text that you have added, and this is simply it. So if you have added some text to an article that you have written on your blog or whatever, you can use this tag. So this one was the first tag. So now let's move on to another one. So let's say that we have another paragraph here. Well, let me go with h1. So I can say I'm going to use the del tag or the delete. So del, just like that. And I can say I have deleted some text. So you see how it adds this strike in the middle of the text. So with this tag, you'll be able to simply add a strike on some piece of text. And of course, you can use CSS to style whatever you want to do with it. You'll be able to change the colors and stuff. So the next one that I'm gonna use is the span. So let's say I have some beautiful text. All right, so you see now it simply says I have some beautiful text. So now let's say that you want to change the color of beautiful only. So if you want to do that, the simplest way to do it is to add a span around that word. So I'm going to use the span tag. So the span tag, and I'm going to simply enclose beautiful inside of it. All right, so you see now I have beautiful right here, and now I can simply use CSS to simply select span and change the color to whatever I want. So I can say, for example, blue. So you see it says I have some beautiful text. So this is how you simply change one word, so the color of one word with HTML and CSS. So all you have to do is you have to simply enclose the words with the span tag, and then let's say that we have more text here. So I have more text. So let's say that we want to add more. So we want to change the color of more. So I can simply add a span here. So span, and I can enclose the word more inside of it. So you see it says I have more text. So you see how we have changed color of those specific words. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with another one. So this will be 5 tags, actually, not 4. So I have an extra one. So this one that I'm gonna show you is called the pre-tag. So with the pre-tag, basically whatever you do, for example, even if you press enter, it will just add it here. So let's say that I have some text. So you see it adds this font. So it has this basic font, but I can simply add the I can select it and change the font. So font family to another one. So let me go with Frank. So it will be thicker, so you'll see it better. Okay, so it says I have some text, and if I add some spaces here and another word, you see it has added the spaces there. So, you know, spacing matters inside of this tag. So I can say, for example, I can go to the next line twice, and I can say I have more text. You see how it appeared here, and if you want to move it to the left, you can simply delete this space here, and it will move it or align it to the left. So this is the pre-tag, and use it and have fun with it. This one is more fun than the other ones because, you know, spacing matters, unlike the p-tag. So for example, for the first one, even if I press enter, nothing happens. It's still there. But with this one, if you press a space inside of the pre-tag, if I move it down, you see how it adds spaces here and stuff like that. So now let's move to the last one, which is the mark. So let's say that if you want to add some highlighting to some words, you can say, for example, let me add an H2 here, and I can say, I have a nice car. So let's say that we want to highlight the word nice. So to do it, all you have to do is you have to use the mark tag. All right, and whatever you place inside of the mark tag will be highlighted. So in this case, I'm going to move this nice word inside of the mark tag, and as you notice, basically it changed the color of it to this yellow color. All right, so I hope this video was helpful, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.